Hello friend, this is from Caviar Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is a new finished 300 liters model Kneader mixer for Ukrainian client. For this mixer, it is used to mix the material propellant fuel. We make the whole mixer, including the motor and cable, electricity cabinet, explosion-proof type. And let's take around to see this mixer. The left part is the electricity cabinet, explosion-proof type. For the main components, we use the Kneader brand. And this is a mixer. For the material contact part, we use stainless steel. Let's turn to the back to see the driving system. We equipped two driving systems. One is for double sigma blades, and another is for the discharging screw. Both the driving systems, we use the Siemens brand motor and hard tooth phase reducer. Good quality. Explosion-proof type. And this one is a hydraulic station. It is power to drive the top lid open and close. Also, we use the Siemens brand motor and the explosion-proof type. And this one is a vacuum pump. We can see this is a good quality vacuum pump. We also use the explosion-proof type motor. Connected, the yellow one is a buffer tank. Wire pipes, it connected each other with a top lid. We can see this is the charging port. We equipped a manual valve. This is a top lid. Two windows, one with light. Vacuum meter there. This is a manhole. Also can be used for powder material feeding. Vacuum valve and vacuum release valve. For this mixer, we equipped a jacket around the vessel, and we keep the connection port on the body because the client will connect their own heating source to the mixing chamber. Okay, now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. I would like to make a simple test for the mixing function first and the material discharging function. Let's focus on the panel. This is a voltage meter, ammeter, two inverters. One is for the double sigma blades, and another is for the discharging screw, speed control knob. This is a temperature display. One is for the material inside of the chamber, and another is for the jacket temperature. Emergency stop button, light, close and on. These buttons, three buttons, is for the double sigma blades control, forward, reverse, and stop. These three buttons is for the discharging screw. These two buttons is for the vacuum pump on and off, and these two buttons is for the top lid open and close. Okay, first I start the sigma blades. We can control the speed here. From the window, we can see that blades now rotating in the forward direction. To see it, to check it clearly, we can open the feeding port. Okay, now I have opened it. And then I would like to start the discharging screw. There, also forward. Make more speed. After that, the shaft speed would be displayed on the panel, inverter panel. Let's check. Now both system works. Problem. Now I stop them and test the reverse direction. This time we test the max speed. 37. 65. This is the max speed. With the Sigma blades reverse and the discharging screw reverse. I test the emergency stop button. Once I pushed the button, it stopped immediately. And now I would like to close the manual hole. And then I would like to display another function we designed for this kind of mixer. This function is for the protection of the operators during the work on spot. It is regarding a sensor on the back side. Here is a sensor here. During the mixing work, once the top lid opened, the mixer will not work. Stopped for the safety consideration. And I would like to have a try. For example, forward, reverse. I make a low speed. Please note that for the discharging screw, reverse direction can help to mix the material more evenly because it can push back the material from screw barrel to the chamber. Okay, now I would like to open the top lid like this. Without any operation on the panel, once the top lid opened, the mixer stopped. However, even in this situation, I can also drive it. This is in the cases of maintenance and cleaning for this mixer. I should keep my finger on the button continuously. This is forward direction, and this is reverse direction. It is the same principle for the discharging screw, like this. And the reverse. Now I'm touching the reverse. Okay, it works. This is the inching switch function. We make it for the convenience of the operation. Now I close the top lid. So this is a simple display test for the mixing function and the safety protection function and the material discharging function of this mixer. It is for high viscous material, propellant, fuel material mixing. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, feel free to contact us for more information. This is from Kneader Machinery Technology Company in China. For next video, we would like to test the performance of the vacuum system of this mixer. Thanks for watching.